Hello guys, so today I'm going to show to you how you can link your pages on your WordPress website to your navigation menu in order to make your pages more easily accessible. So here, if we go to the part that says pages, you will see all of the pages that you have on your website. So here we have all of the published pages on my website. Now we can add a new page, or we can use an old one, but for this instance we will use one of the pages that already exist on my website in order to show to you how you can do this. So in order to make your menu, so you can just click on the part here that says appearances and you go on to menus. Now once you are there, you will have a part here that says you can either edit a menu that already exists, or you can create a new menu. So we're going to create a new menu. And once we go on to create a new menu, here you can add a name of the menu. So let's just say it's a test menu. Here you have automatically adding, so it adds the pages to the menu, and this is to show the location of the menu. So let's just say we're going to put it into the header, and we're going to go create a menu. Now once we created a menu, you have here all of your pages, and then you can choose which of your pages you want to add onto this menu. Now once we find, so let's just say want to add the notification part onto this menu, and we're just gonna go add to menu. And here we have the option to, so if we want to change the name that is going to show up on the menu, so if we want it to stay the same as the name of the page, we'll just leave it, or if you wanted to say something else, you can change it here, but we're going to keep it the same, and we're going to go save menu. Now once we have done this, we are going to go on to the page, and we're going to refresh it. And once we have opened our page, as you can see here, on the header menu, we have a part that says notifications, and we can click on it and it will take us to the notification page. This is just a test page, so there's nothing on it, but yeah, as you can see, this is really easy, and it's going to help you create navigation on your website really easy. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful.